I'm Trixie Mattel, and today I'm here with this sensation, Juno Birch.
Hello.
And I'm very honored because Juno's gonna be putting makeup on me today.
You're gonna look like a lobster, darling.
I hope so.
Let's slap this on.
I can't believe you do that with the gloves on. Jasmine Masters wears surgical gloves because of like germophobia.
Oh yeah. Have you had any work done?
No.
Well, you should.
I hate you. I got one of those ridiculous vampire facials.
What's a vampire facial?
Bitch, they numb your face and they stab you with needles all over your face thousands of times, and then they take your blood, spin it, remove the plasma, and they give you a facial with your own plasma because it helps your skin turn over.
Oh my god.
For like a week and a half, you have like no pores and just like a glow. It's wild.
That sounds stunning.
But it's painful. The recovery's 3 days.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Have you had anything done?
No.
Are you lying?
No.
Oh.
It looks like somebody just chucked Pepto-Bismol all over your face.
How did you figure out this makeup?
I used to use grease paint, but it wouldn't stay on really well. So then I started using Crayon mixed with Revolution, pigment pots.
Yeah.
It's like meant for like eyeliner or something, and they chip out a little pea size.
Yeah.
And then mix it in. It's just coming back off.
I'm sorry, I'm so sweaty.
It's okay.
Here, let me get in there. Oh, it is coming right off, isn't it?
Yeah, you need to like drag it.
Drag it. Just everybody at home note that I'm doing all the work and that she did nothing. And
I'm just relaxing.
How long do you take to get ready?
If I could take my time, I can be like 2 hours. But like I could do it in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And like still look really stunning.
Well, you're very beautiful out of drying.
I know.
So do you do any cream like highlighting or anything?
I put a little bit of white underneath the eyes.
And then you hit it with powder.
And then, yeah.
Okay, great. Is this TV white or is this like real white?
TV white.
TV white is lit.
Oh, those cheekbones.
This is kind of relaxing.
Does it feel nice?
Yeah, I used to do makeup at a MAC counter and people sometimes fall asleep when doing their makeup. Like, this one lady, she had her breast out feeding her child at the mall and she fell asleep while I was doing her makeup.
Oh my god. Breathe.
What a weird process. Drag is so weird. It just feels like you're beating
a balloon. Since I've been in LA, I've just been like mimicking people's voices.
Well, you're pretty good at accents. You're internet famous for doing Jennifer.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Jennifer Coolidge is here today.
Jennifer Coolidge. I'm like incredibly nervous because my idol is like sat right here watching me.
Yep, we haven't mentioned it, but Jennifer Coolidge is here in my living room today. How did you first hear about her doing your voice?
She just came up.
I probably tagged her like a million times.
Was she standing outside your house doing your voice?
But it was like I was doing like a lip sync. I did like a performance with your voice from Best in Show. Is it really weird to hear your own voice in like somebody else's performance?
Well, the thing I like so much is that it's so rehearsed, like there's just not one pause, breath, anything that's out of, I mean, it's just so well done. It's so great.
Thank you.
I love this. I'm so honored that you're doing this. I found Juno because my boyfriend is, I guess, the world's premier collector of your sculptures. And he was like, you gotta...
He basically pays my rent.
Yeah. We were going to Manchester and he was like, this sculptor that I love, she's a drag queen, you gotta find her. So I found her. I would buy makeup products from you. I have this like vision of you being like this, I would see you as like an Avon lady that comes to the door and then like, at first you seem normal and then it's like, something's not right here.
I open up like a big suitcase with like a massive machine gun.
Yeah.
Like brainwashing me. Stunning.
I feel so beautiful already. I'm just used to doing the Trixie thing. I've been doing the same thing for like probably 10 years now. I mean, different incarnations of it, but
yeah.
It took me so long to get like good at that.
Your makeup is like slightly evolved, doesn't it? It's like,
yeah, it's
you
like
use a lot more like brown tones rather than like blue and pink.
I used to do so much more color, like blue eyes, pink lips, and now I do mostly neutrals. But I love blush. blush? Do you love blush?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I love like just getting it and just doing dun 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 like this.
yes. We have some blushes. Have you seen the new blushes?
No.
You really haven't seen them yet?
No.
Oh, you're gonna die. Look at these. Did you
Oh.
have a heart attack? And look at these.
Oh my god. Oh my
Yes,
god.
that makes them eat them all. It kind of looks like it's your product more than mine, to be honest.
Hey, I'm calling. This is gonna look so stunning.
It's so bright, just so you know.
Put it on my glove first.
Put it on a glove first. You know, ladies, when you go to the makeup counter, you check the product on your rubber glove.
Oh my god, this blush is so nice.
Oh my god, it looks so beautiful.
I kind of want to make it more like just dotted, like Marie Antoinette.
You have a gig tonight.
Yes, at Foo Bar.
What's
I can't wait.
the longest you've kept this makeup on? Because this is like a commitment.
It was probably last Gay Pride. I think I took it off at like 7, 8, and I was in drag from like 8 in the morning.
Oh my
That's probably
God.
the longest. But it doesn't take me long to like take it all off, put it back on again.
Mine takes an hour and 10.
I thought you would have took like 3 hours.
No, it's fast. People always think it's longer.
Yeah.
But it's also a blueprint at this point. I know exactly where everything goes. But this isn't just gonna be like a flagrant display of how beautiful you are and how dumb I look in the same makeup.
I was doing it like terrible on purpose.
It's gonna be like when you order online versus when it arrives. That's what it's gonna be. People don't really get in drag at the clubs in the UK, do they? That's not a
No.
thing. But in the UK, it seems like people get ready at home and then go.
Sometimes Uber drivers will be like, we're on our way, and then like they'll see us in drag and they'll be like, cancel.
That has happened to me here.
Yeah.
Yes.
They're so scared.
And I never get propositioned. Monique Hart was telling me that some Uber driver was like, yeah, my shoulders are sore. You can give them a rub if you want. Like that never happens to me. They're like, get out, 1 star.
Right, I'm gonna mark out where the brows are going now.
Okay. Are you looking for the restroom? Oh, it's that way. That's the wig closet.
That's all right, there's someone there for.
You can pee on the wigs.
I'm just mixing your eyelid.
This is so cool.
Let me see. This is what
Is it like looking in a mirror?
no. I'm doing the eyebrows now.
So soft.
Woman. In Sweden, we do not like to pay all at once. We like 4 payments.
Let me see.
I love that you say, let me see, and then turn my head like I'm
Yeah, I need to see like in the middle.
a beauty school mannequin. Liquid liner right on the brows. You are very quick at that. Where do you get a lot of your makeup? You do like the drugstore, you do fancy, what do you like?
I buy like mostly cheap stuff, and then like I have a Jeffree Star palette, the thirsty one. I
one's
use
nice.
I use the blue to like contour. It's so good. And
It's
then
beautiful.
sometimes I mix my colours in that. That's from
Show them.
Saturday night.
Show them.
That's from Saturday.
Have you ever been gross?
I'm sorry, Jeffree. You have to stay in this when we go to Foo Bar.
I will. People are gonna be like, are you Juno? I'm gonna be like,
Yes.
but if I do
And
a
then
British,
be a bitch.
if I do a British accent, they'll think I'm lying.
Do a British accent.
I would British
Do a
accent.
British accent. Go on.
Yeah. Oh no.
What?
I don't know. Just full Mrs. Doubtfire.
Hello.
Yeah, tonight at Uber, I'll be like, I'm Juno Birch. I'm stunning.
Stunning.
It'll be so believable. And I'll be like, I'd like to get paid now. And then I'll take your money.
Don't you dare.
Oh my god, and part of that Vogue video, they really had you up in drag in a grocery store.
That's just normal for me.
Were people looking at you like a crazy person?
And the producer went up to these 2 little boys and
they were
were like this, like hiding. And she went, are you scared or excited? And they were like, excited.
It's the first boner of their child life.
But it's great because I hate children. I love scaring them.
I don't with children either. I do not with children.
It's kind of like when I'm applying makeup to somebody else, I'm not like really careful and concentrated because I'll paint somebody else's face like I paint my sculptures. Like kind of like.
I do feel like one of your little sculptures right now. If you guys want to purchase any of her sculptures, how are they available?
They're on my website, junobirch.com. I'm gonna do the highlights here as well. This is my favorite eyeliner.
From
It's a
MAC?
pen, yeah.
Penultimate? Oh, brush
Mhm.
black. What is this? I've never seen
It's
this.
just like a brush pen.
I wear so much liner that I do the gel, but
Yeah.
is this Maybelline Great Lash?
I have no idea what this is. Yeah.
You better work. This is like the mascara I saw my mom use.
Do you want to put some lashes on?
Yeah, bitch.
I think you might be better doing it.
Yeah. I have never worn a lash this small in my life. I wore 2 pairs of these on the bottom.
Oh my god.
Look, are you using weave glue?
Don't look at me. They're so little. I feel like a baby. I look like a little pink baby.
Right, you ready for these lips?
Yeah, bitch. What are you using?
It's a NYX pink.
Their pencils are so good.
Yeah, they're amazing.
I like this makeup because it's equal parts heavy application, but really minimal.
Yeah. It's like really heavy on the foundation and then the eyes are quite subtle.
Yeah, everything else is very small.
I brought like this really like cheap shitty lipstick with me and Stacy. Go. Oh. No, like open your mouth.
Oh. Okay.
So I can get in. I love this lipstick because it's like, it's so matte, but it doesn't go crummy or crusty.
I know, I tried this. It also feels smooth. Like when I was testing the formula, I would wear it around the house with no other makeup on, which is such a good look.
Yeah.
And then I would be like, it would be smooth feeling, and I'd be like, oh, it's not holding up, it's not gonna be matte. And then I'd look in the mirror and be like,
Should we put a bit of Drug Lord in the middle? You ready?
uh-huh.
Da-na-na.
Want me to just like smush it?
Uh-huh.
Oh!
Do you feel stunning?
I feel beautiful. Are you kidding? I look like a sunburn victim, like like Tyler's and Tiara's sunburn victim.
Uh-huh. Are you ready for the beauty spot? Dun, 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 dun.
Is that it?
Yeah, you're done.
Cool. Should we put some hair and costume on and then we'll see what's up? I love it.
Are you coming to food bar
Oh,
tonight?
wow!
Oh my god, mommy!
Oh, that was fantastic.
It's really-
Ready? Da-na. Oh my god, you smell. You put
I put perfume on. Well, whenever I see you, I smell like you.
Oh, that is
Hi.
We
Mommy!
look the same. Look like we're from the same planet.
incredible. That was incredible.
It's like I arrived and you were here and I was like, oh, did you already do this planet? Okay, I'll move on. I feel so comfortable and glamorous.
You look stunning.
Oh,
Are
Okay.
you doing the show tonight?
Yeah, food bar.
Both of you?
I'm off, but
She's coming like this.
I'm gonna come support her.
Oh.
I think nobody will recognize me.
I think we're definitely gonna get mixed up.
I think
Yeah.
you're a fan.
Well, they're right.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so fun.
Thank you for letting me do this.
Thank you.
Let's do a photo shoot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Supermodel.
I'm so stunning.
One time I saw Dolly Parton and she had a wig hair in her eye and she was performing and she pulled it out and she went, ow. And then everyone laughed and she went, no, it didn't hurt me none.
Diva.
And then she went, probably hurt some little girl in Korea though. And we were like, Grandma, no.
Oh my god.
But it was Dolly Parton, so obviously she meant it like sweet. But we were like,